Do you struggle making the jump from figure drawing to character design? Let me show you an exercise that bridges that gap and helps unlock your creativity. First, pick a reference that inspires you. I find that costumes and props help spark my creativity, so I lean towards that type of reference for this exercise. For this video, I'm using 3 photos from the Agents model pack I bought from Graphite Studio on ArtStation. Next, try some ideas about the character based on the reference. The most important one is the character's function or occupation. In this case, the reference reminds me of a hitwoman, a hired assassin. Then we need some physical characteristics. What does the character look like? Write the characteristics that stand out for you. For me, it's the model's long, slim body, round heads, sinewy arms, elegant posture, and hefty gun. Oh, and we can't forget a key characteristic: personality. Based on the photos, I think she has a smug attitude. Now that we have clear ideas to go after, it's time to explore them through sketching. My approach is very systematic. I draw 4 shapes and fill them with form. Since 4 shapes are a result of force and form, they allow me to draw functional, fluid bodies fast. I'm not slowed down by tedious construction using stiff primitives. Shape is probably the most powerful tool in a character designer's arsenal. It changes you from being an artist that just knows how to draw into becoming a designer. Skillful use of shape really separates the amateur from the professional, especially in the world of design. In general, I draw the character's torso first, then the rest of its body. This is also how we teach figure drawing. All that practice studying the human figure performing different actions from reference is what allows me to draw believable poses from imagination. In this case, I also have the poses in these 3 photos to inspire me with pose ideas. Another powerful design tool I use together with shape is proportions, mainly through exaggeration. I make the characters' shapes longer and slimmer than they appear in the reference to make those ideas stand out. I also exaggerate the length of her legs relative to her torso, the size of her hair, and her gun. I push the design beyond realism into a more caricatured style, which I find more unique and fun. If you're enjoying the content of this video, please leave a like, share it with your artist friends, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any exciting updates. Here are my 3 rough design ideas for this character. You can explore as many as you want, then pick the one that best conveys the character. Once you pick a winner, it's time to refine it further. It's important to not rush to a cleanup. Take time to flesh out the design and make sure everything works. Use additional references if necessary to help you figure things out. Now it's also the time to draw the finer details. Notice that by working in layers, I naturally arrive at a cleaner sketch. To finalize the character design, I add the inks, flat colors, and rendering. I hope this was inspiring and showed you how the force drawing method can help you unleash your creativity. Please let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments. For more in-depth education, please visit drawingforce.com. There you can sign up for mentorships, memberships, courses, and so much more. See you there.